Let's face it, dealing with debt collectors can be stressful. But you don't have to let them stress you out. Before answering any unknown call, use a caller ID app like Truecaller to identify the caller. When answering a debt collector, be polite but firm. Let them know you prefer to communicate via email. Keep written records of all your interactions. It can be crucial for disputes later on. If you're harassed by a debt collector, report them to the Office of the Data Protection Commissioner. Harassment is illegal. Start by creating a realistic debt repayment plan using a zero-based budgeting method. Surround yourself with others who are going through similar experiences. A support group can keep you motivated. Prevent future debt by building an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of expenses. Start by paying off your smallest debts first, and watch the momentum build as you eliminate them one by one. Getting out of debt takes time and effort, but with a solid plan and the right mindset, you can achieve financial freedom. Read the full guide on our 2-minute blog. For more tips, check out our complete guide on handling debt collectors on our 2-minute blog.